Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is a special Mask Monday. I am doing a mask for autism awareness, and the month of April is Autism Awareness Month. And I have this mask on. I put it on a head. This is a Facetory mask. It is Camellia, Dream Garden Camellia. It's a nice thick mask, and it feels really good. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about autism, and I'm also going to tell you about the people in this collab. This is a very big collab. We've been doing this for a few years, and this is the biggest that the collab has ever been. There are about 24 people, and I'm going to try to list everybody right now, but I'll only have in the description the 6 that are going to be running their videos today. And then each Monday through April, we'll have 6 more. And what I'll do on my Mask Monday next week is tell you about the 6 that are coming up for that day, and I'll also talk about this on my Friday night gaps. So Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More, they are the host of this collab, and Chloe has autism. Tracy's daughter. If you don't know them, please, anybody that I mentioned, well, from these 6 will be in the description. Please go see them, because there are several channels that have autistic children in their lives, and they will be doing Monday videos. They may or may not do masks. They'll do what they'll each do their own thing. So in today's Mask Monday, first of all, we're all going to be connected by the hashtag Chloe's Autism Awareness Collab. So you'll see that right here in the title and in the description. So you can click on that, and that will connect you to all of the ladies, okay? And I'm sorry, Smudge is here making noise. I'm going to have a collab. I mean, see, he upsets me. I'm sorry, y'all. Calm down, Smudge. All kinds of ASMR going on with Smudge behind the camera here. Okay, so in today's videos, you will see Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More, and they are hosting this giant collab. So again, look for that hashtag. And then we also have Ambizar's DIY and other stuff. Her and her son, Noah has autism. And so she'll be doing a video today. And, these videos will be on our channels, so you can look at them anytime. But these are who's going to be here this week. And then we'll have 6 more next week and like that. But if you miss any, you can go back and watch, okay? Also, we have Teresa Starship, Life with Christine, and Kimmy's Happy Place. So please go see all those channels, and I will have those. There's 5 names and then myself. I'll have those in the description for you to find. I'm going to name other names now, but their videos will be coming up in the future. But I just wanted to let you know this is a very big collab. So we have Glitzy Gem, I'm Martinez, Katie's Corner of the World, JM Unboxing and More, and JM Unboxing and More is Johanna. And she has Gabby, he has autism. There also will be Gloria from Beauty After 50, Emily D, Bonnie's Bargains, Beautifying MZ, Lori's Life, Trish from Unique Beauty, Chelsea K's Creation, and her daughter Bella, Faye Blanchard, and the C, which is CEE, and they're Sweet and Sassy Sarah, and there may be other channels that join us. But there'll be a lot of people to see, and what we want to do is bring awareness to autism. So let me tell you a few things about autism that I've learned. Everyone's story is different. That's most important, because you can't just pinhole or, make a box of everybody and say this is what autism is, because it's not that way. Autism spectrum disorder, or autism, is a complex neurological and developmental disorder that affects how a person acts, communicates, learns, and interacts with others. Because it affects a child's development, ASD is called a developmental disorder. ASD can last throughout a person's life. People with this disorder have problems with communication, interactions with others, and again, restricted interests and repetitive behaviors. Different people with autism can have different symptoms. For this reason, autism is known as a spectrum disorder, a group of disorders with a range of similar features. So they can be, you know, just have minor issues and have with communication, and have more stronger issues with communication. The symptoms of one person with autism can be very different from another's. One person with autism may have mild symptoms, while another may have serious symptoms. The latest estimates suggest that about 1 out of every 68 children in the U.S. has autism. ASD occurs in all racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic groups, and it is about 4.5 times more common among boys than among girls. And the experience of autism is not one thing, it's many things. Every individual born is unique and deserves respect and love. Everyone's story is different. That's what I have learned over the past few years talking about autism with you all. So you just have to, it's just an individual case. You have to really learn about that individual. So let me show you, I have a giveaway. I mean, try not to make this video too long. I have a bunch of things to show you. If it gets too long, I'm gonna just stop, okay? So it's just easier for me not to open everything up so that it goes by quicker. I have Milk Makeup Mascara for you. I have Play, this is a highlighter stick. I have this lovely serum. I have a nail growth serum. And then there is this is a lip liner by Moonlit. Very beautiful packaging there. There is Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum. We have OC Ocean Cleanser. This is very, very nice. I have a Rejuvenating Frankincense Cleanser. I have this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It's a translucent powder. I have a Heaven Panty measuring tape. Those come in handy. I have a bunch of those. I have Laura Mercier. This is an eye color stick. And I have an eyeliner by Josephine, a black eyeliner by Josephine. I have this KK Carmella. It's Carmella Lippy. Beautiful bullet lippy. I have this is In Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set by Half Caked. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. Half Caked. This is a cute package. There is this beautiful brush, and there is this beautiful blush. And this is in Freshly Squeezed is the name of this color. Oops, giving me trouble opening it. I always have trouble opening things if you don't know me. There is a beautiful color, so that's a nice set. I have some gold, the Gold Faden MD. This is the needleless serum, wonderful serum. I have this very nice cosmetic bag. This is from Ipsy. It has the Ipsy tag on it. I have an eye mask for you. You know, I'm a mask person, so you're always going to get masks from me in giveaways. I have this Planist. This is the Radiant Facial Mask. And the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask in, this one's in Green Apple, one of my favorite masks right there. And I also have a palette for you. This is Ciate London. This is Bronzed. And this is a beautiful palette. This is it here. And here it is. Quite beautiful. It has a mirror on the other side. And this is very, very pretty. So my giveaway, everybody's going to do something different. Some people may have giveaways and some people may not have giveaways. So just watch their video to see, follow that hashtag to find them, and see what they got going on, and enjoy learning about autism, because in this day and age, so many people have it. It's really, we are all touched by it. So we really need to know as much as we can about it. My giveaway will run through the whole month of April. So I haven't looked at a calendar, but April 30th, whatever day that is, I will end this at noon Central Time. That'll give me time to pick a winner and get a video ready. So sometime in the very beginning of May, you'll see a winner. And I will be putting this into a bubble wrap envelope from the post office. It is, I can't remember, darn it, what it's called. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to rush through. It's a flat rate. That's what it's called. It's a flat rate bubble envelope. So if there's more room, this is the box and all these things. If there's more room, this will probably fit on the outside. I will shove things in there because if I'm sending that to you, I'm going to fill it up. So if you'd like to win this giveaway, say something really, let's see, different, because a lot of you all will talk to me about autism and about Mask Monday. So say strawberry. Say the word strawberry. STRAWBERRY. If you would like to be in this giveaway, if you'd like to be, to try to win this giveaway, because a lot of people just come in support, so if you want to win this giveaway, if you'd like to be entered, say strawberry. And don't just please say strawberry, even though this is not a secret. Just say the word in a sentence or something. And I better tell you the rules right quick. 18 years or older to enter this giveaway, you have to have an address for me to mail this to in the continental United States. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. These are all things that I have bought or gotten out of boxes. I will take it to the post office and I will get you a tracking number. And then it is out of my hands and I'm no longer responsible for it. You will, when you receive this, if you are the winner, you will have to test products if you have allergies. I am not responsible if you have an allergic reaction to anything. So once it's out of my hands, it's completely out of my hands. And nobody involved in this collab has anything to do with this giveaway. You listen to their rules on their giveaways if they're having one, okay? And thank you so much for stopping by and learning a little bit about autism. It is, like I said, it's most important that we know, because it'll help us in our day-to-day lives with all the children that are in our lives. And also a lot nowadays, it's been a while since autism has been diagnosed, and there are a lot of adults around that have autism. So keep that in mind when you are around people and they may act a little bit different than you. Don't think that they're being rude or ugly or anything. They may just need your compassion. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by, y'all. I hope if you're here for the first time that you will consider subscribing to my channel. And again, enter the giveaway with the word strawberry. Thank you so much and count your blessings. Bye-bye.